welcome back to another Mel Rose Mixers video. I'm Mel, and today we're going to be making a modern classic by Sam Ross from Attaboy, New York City, The Paper Plane. It was created for the summer menu for a bar in Chicago called the Violet Hour. Sam made it when it was milk and honey originally in 2008. Originally made it with Campari, but it was way too bitter. And so then they swapped it out for Aperol. So it's technically a milk and honey cocktail with the Aperol and then a Violet Hour cocktail with the Campari. So that's just a bit of a fun fact for you. So in the specs of this drink that we're going to be doing today is equal parts. I am going to be making 2 of these though, because having a bit of a dinner party with some of my boyfriend's family. It's their birthday, so it's equal parts of 3/4 ounces or 22.5 mils of bourbon. I'm using Maker's Mark. This is the best bourbon we have in the house. We're using Amaro Montenegro. Now I know it's meant to be used with Amaro Nonino, but that shit is so hard to find in Australia. I'm not kidding you. Like, Sammy, you're from Australia. What are you doing to me? If you're in Australia, from Melbourne particularly, and know where to find it, tell me, because we've stocked it in the bar, but they've got suppliers from like around the world. So don't know what to tell you, but basically Amaro Nonino and Amaro Montenegro, they're similar. However, Nonino is meant to be a bit more complex in flavour and a little bit sweeter. So hence why I'm going to do the sugar syrup here. So I'm just going to try and kind of create a little Nonino happening there. Got some Aperol, a bit of sweet orange Amaro. This is 11%, so very low in alcohol, this one. So it is a lower ABV style cocktail altogether. Very summery. It is winter here, but just really want to make this drink, to be honest. Lemon juice. And we're just going to be doing about a bar spoon or 5 mils. It's served in coupes. So I've got some ice chilling in these glasses. They have been in the fridge. I'm making 2 of these, alright? So, oh, and I'm using this really cute jigger that my boyfriend got me for our anniversary. So this is quite cool because it's like a Japanese style one. It's see-through. He doesn't like the fact that when you're making a cocktail you have to like kind of look into the jigger because they're not see-through. If you like look from if you can just look on face on, he likes it that way. But I'm giving it a go in this recipe today. Alright, cheapest ingredients first. So we're going to be doing 10 mils because we're doing 2. So I'm using, there's no 10 mil mark on this, so I'm just going to be using the smaller jigger for that. So we're going to be doing 45 mils. Of lemon juice, 45 mils of Aperol, it feels weird to pour from my left hand. I will say that, so I don't know, it just, this is, I don't know how I feel. And then we're doing 45 mils of bourbon. We've got 1 big ass ice cube to do our creamy shake with. Let's give that a quick shake. Alright. Oh, it's quite foamy. That's fun. Just gonna give that a double strain. Aperol and Amaro are on your like the first thing you taste. That's on the front palate, and the aftertaste is that kind of like you get the bourbon on the back front kind of situation. Like you get the honey and a little bit of that smokiness as well. It's just a subtle little hint there. So, well, that's it from me tonight, guys. Have a lovely evening or afternoon or good morning, wherever you're from. It's a lovely, refreshing drink. You should try it at home. We'll see you on the next Mel Rose Mixers. Cheers.